So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So I recently created a video on Bitcoin and we analyzed a specific chart that Bitcoin was forming, and it was called a symmetrical triangle. So we have some new news about that, so we'll be talking about that in this video. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video and let's take a look at that chart. So first of all, we are now over at our screen, and as you can see, I'm on coinmarket.com. So Bitcoin is currently trading at $43,980. In the past hour, it is currently down by 0.27%, and in the past 24 hours, it is up by 0.2%, and in the 7 days, it is up by 3.24%. So let's take a quick look at this chart on coinmarket.com. So our current 24-hour volume is around $18 billion, and it is down by 4.72% from yesterday. So we have a little bit less movement in Bitcoin in the recent days, but it will eventually go back up because of these new signals that we're seeing. So it is currently up by 0.24% in the past 24 hours. As you can see, 24 hours ago we were trading at 43.95k, and our daily high was around $44,463, and our daily low was around $43,789. So almost $1,000 of movement between the lowest and the highest. And if we look at the 7-day chart, let's take a look at that. So we are currently up by 3.25% in the past 7 days. And if we look at compared to the starting of the week, we were doing pretty well, and we hit new highs. So we were at around 45.8k, and we started off the week at 42.6k, but we made our way up almost around $46,000. But then as we got to January 3rd, we had a little bit of a dump, and then we are eventually making our way back up to new numbers. So our main point of the video, let's get to the main point. So if we pull up tradingview.com, as you can see, we are on the 1 hour time frame and we are on Bitcoin. This is the chart that I showed in my recent video, and we made a recent price predictions of Bitcoin and where Bitcoin will head. And in that video we showed how this symmetrical triangle is forming, and it is currently forming during an uptrend. So we all know the rule of symmetrical triangles. If it's formed during an uptrend, it is most likely going to go to the upside after the breakout. So we analyzed this symmetrical triangle. So it has this from up to down, it has this movement continuously, but it keeps decreasing as it goes on. So this triangle keeps getting smaller, and as we got closer and closer to the triangle, we can see right here in January 7th during midnight is where we saw this breakout happen to the positive side. Now we are still retesting our prices. We haven't gone up as we predicted. So this is our prediction. As if you can remember, we drew this yellow line to predict the price of movement of Bitcoin after the breakout, and we are currently seeing something related to that. We are on the positive side, but we are retesting prices, but very soon we are likely to go back up, and we are likely to see more positive growth. So this is a great new sign in Bitcoin, and we will see possibly new numbers being hit, and the Bitcoin spot ETF approval is also right around the corner, and we will be making a video on that soon too. And we have some new news from BlackRock about the spot ETF, so that's some exciting news for the Bitcoin price also. And also this breakout is also a huge part of this Bitcoin price bull run. So this is also great news that we are seeing. And if you can remember from the past videos that we saw this during an uptrend, so symmetrical triangles are, if they are formed during an uptrend, they are most likely to break out to the upside. So we are confirmed, this breakout is confirmed that it has gone to the upright, and we predicted prices almost up to 47k soon. So we might reach 47k in Bitcoin very, very soon. So that is something exciting that we are to see. And this price will reach during the spot ETF approval. So around January 10th is our expected date, and we are seeing more and more rumors that it is likely to get approved on January 10th. And so that was pretty much it, talking about this new symmetrical triangle being formed and this breakout that we just had. So we are likely headed to the positive side. We had a breakout to the positive side, and we are likely to see new prices. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video, we talked about how Bitcoin has had a breakout from the symmetrical triangle that it was having, and now it is headed to the positive direction. So as we all know, the Bitcoin spot ETF is right around the corner. A new video coming on that soon. So we'll be talking about news from BlackRock that we are hearing that our deadline has been set on Wednesday, January 10th. So that is very, very close, and even this breakout and the Bitcoin ETF combined, we will see new numbers being hit in Bitcoin. And that was all it for this video. So if you are new to this channel, I also do daily crypto live streams where we talk about any recent crypto price changes or any new price movements and any news that we have in the crypto community. So stay tuned for that. That live stream comes daily. And I also create videos on how you can make money online while sitting at your home. So please do check out those other videos also there on my channel, and I will also link them on the top right of your screen so you can go watch them after this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below of what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.